Today we're going to be making some delicious stuffing. Very simple but very delicious. These are the ingredients that you're going to be using. You need a baguette, 10 celery ribs, 1/4 cups of parsley, unsalted butter, 2 eggs, pecans, 1½ onions, salt and pepper, poultry, olive oil, and chicken broth. Enjoy! Okay, the first thing you're going to do with your baguette is to cut it into pieces. Cut it into pieces so you can have a lot of texture. You're going to, while you're doing this, you're going to preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to spray some olive oil. And you need some salt and pepper. Okay, now you're going to pop it in the oven for 20 minutes so your bread can dry up and you'll be ready to start the stuffing. So now I'm going to turn on my stove to medium heat. You need a little bit of olive oil. Just leave it on for a bit so we can cook our Italian sausage. Okay. Okay, we're going to let it cook. We're not going to season it yet. Going to let it cook for 15 minutes. I'm just going to separate it right now. And just keep an eye on it for 15 minutes until it's nice and brown. Okay, while it's cooking, we're going to do something else. Okay, our sausage looks delicious. It's brown. I think it's ready. So we can, okay, now we're going to transfer the sausage into another bowl, into a bowl. We want to make sure that we leave some fat, some oil on the pan. Okay. Let's get everything out. Okay. Okay, we're going to put it aside. We're going to turn on our stove again to medium heat. We're going to pour a little bit of olive oil. And we're going to use 1/4 of our unsalted butter. The reason why we use olive oil and butter is because we don't want our butter to burn. So that's why we use olive oil and butter as well. And now we want the butter to get all the flavors of the sausage. Get this ready so we can cook our vegetables. Alright. Now we have already chopped our vegetables. Put them here. Let them get all the flavor. You want those onions nice and brown. It smells amazing. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, we're going to let them cook for a little while, just keeping an eye on them. It's a medium heat. Going to be stirring it up for a bit. Leave it cooking for a bit, uncovered. Okay, now you're going to preheat your oven to 375. And you transfer your bread to a bigger bowl. You're also going to butter another dish where you're going to put your stuffing inside the oven in a bit. So just butter it. And the vegetables are almost done. Let's check them out. Probably like 5 more minutes and then we'll check again. So we can start the next step. So we're going to transfer our sausage back into the pan with the vegetables. Oh, look at this. Smells so good. Our oven is ready at 375. Okay, we're going to let it sit for a minute and then we're going to transfer our sausage and vegetables to this big pot with the bread, and I'll tell you the rest later. Okay, just about right. We're just going to add a little bit more of poultry, just a little bit more. Mix it up a little bit. Okay, we can turn it off. Now we're going to transfer it to the big pot. I'll show you in a bit. Okay, now we're going to add our parsley. It's 1/4 of a cup. Mix it up a little bit. Oh, look at this beauty. Let's mix it up nice and neat, slowly. On these big clumps of bread. I don't want to lose all the texture. Okay, while we're doing this, we're also going to add our chicken broth. We need 32 ounces, so we're going to add it little by little. Okay, while we're doing this, we're also going to whisk our 2 eggs. Gonna whisk them with a little whisk. This is gonna help the stuffing bind. just going to pour it in. Okay. We're going to add a little bit of pecans at your taste. Toss the stuffing. Add a little bit more chicken stock. Toss it. Can add a little bit more pecans. Toss it. A little bit more. Toss it. You want the bread to soak all the chicken broth and all the flavors. Let's put the rest of the chicken broth. Okay. Let's give it a little bit of a toss, and then we're going to transfer it into the dish that we're going to use to put it in the oven and bake at 375 for 25 minutes covered and then 20 uncovered. Okay, now we're going to put the stuffing in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes covered. For 25 minutes. Okay, after 25 minutes, we uncover the stuffing and we leave it for 20 more minutes. And the stuffing is ready. Let's check it out. Looks delicious. There you go. Enjoy. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye.